In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Wix Inbox push notifications in the Wix Owner app. If you rely on your site's inbox to communicate with visitors, leads, or customers, turning on push notifications ensures you never miss a message. I'll walk you through the exact path inside the app and share a few helpful tips so your alerts come through reliably. Start by opening the Wix Owner app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap Site to access the website you want to manage. If you have more than one site connected to your account, make sure you're on the correct one so the settings apply where you expect. From the site's dashboard, look toward the bottom of your screen for the inbox. It usually appears in the bottom navigation bar and looks like a chat or message icon. Tap Inbox to open your site's conversations. Inside the inbox, look for the three dots, often labeled as More or appearing as an options icon. Tap the three dots to open additional controls specific to the inbox. Next, tap Inbox Settings. This area collects all the preferences for how your inbox behaves, including how and when you get notified. In the inbox settings, tap Notification Setting. This is where you can manage the alerts you receive for incoming messages and activity related to your site's inbox. Now toggle Allow all push notifications to the on position. When this is enabled, your device will receive push alerts whenever there is new activity in your Wix inbox, helping you respond faster and keep conversations moving. You should see the switch clearly indicate that notifications are allowed. A quick note on reliability. The app's notification setting works best when your device's general notifications are allowed for the Wix Owner app. If you've previously silenced app alerts at the system level, this toggle won't take effect until those are permitted again. Also, features like Do Not Disturb or aggressive battery saver modes can delay or mute alerts, so be mindful of those if you're expecting timely notifications. That's it, your Wix inbox is now set to send push notifications. From here, you can leave the settings as they are for broad coverage, or later come back to fine-tune your preferences from the same menu if you want fewer or more specific alerts. To wrap up, we opened the Wix Owner app, tapped Site, went to the inbox from the bottom of the dashboard, used the three dots to reach inbox settings, opened notification setting, and turned on Allow all push notifications. With that done, you'll be ready to catch new messages as they arrive. Thanks for watching and happy managing.